Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mary. Hi. I know it's been a little bit since I filmed. I've just been, like always, really busy, and with this crazy thing about the coronavirus and all that thing going on, you know, I have a little time because of the quarantine and stuff like that from my regular job. They have like a schedule, so not everybody's at the office at the same time, so they gave me today off. Anyways, so yeah, I did receive something in the mail. I've been wanting to do the video for a little bit because originally I went to Amazon and I ordered, I don't know if you guys ever tried silicone based foundation for beauty makeup. I ordered this silicone based makeup on Amazon, and for some reason they sent me a completely different thing. Now I did issue like a complaint. I was like, hey, you sent me something that's not what I ordered, and they did resend it, and they sent me the right item, and I didn't have to return the wrong item. Now I was kind of curious about the wrong item. It is from a makeup company, like a brand I've never heard of, and it's called Glow Skin Beauty. See, it's like a foundation. It's like a stick foundation. I did open it and I did look at it. Now, I like the packaging. It's minimalistic. It's cute, and it's actually very heavy. I don't know if you guys tried it before. Pretty sure you have. But I was checking online, and it's actually expensive. But anyways, I got it for free because the Amazon made a mistake and they sent it to me. So yeah. So because of that, we're going to go ahead and do this video today. Now, when I opened it and I did look at it, it comes in this is how the stick, it's very heavy, and it says it has, I'll tell you now, it has 0.31 ounces of product in the stick. Now, it is cute. I like it, and when I opened it, it's hard to open it. It actually kind of looks like my skin tone. So, I mean, I think I'm going to be able to, oh crap. I think I'm going to be able to use it, you know? So, that's what I'm going to try and do today. I am going to try it on. I already did my eyebrows and I already kind of like primed. So, I'm going to go ahead and do that, do my full face, and then I'll give you my, you know, my thoughts about it. It is, like I said, I got it for free. Not PR or anything like that. I got it because of a mistake from Amazon. Shipping and whatever. Which is completely fine because the world is crazy right now. So, and anyway, so without further ado, I need to redo my hair. Look at this. Ooh, the mint color is kind of fading. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go ahead and open it again. I don't know why I closed it. There we go. I want to smell it. It don't smell bad. It doesn't smell like, you know, like plasticky. Some products do sometimes smell plasticky. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I'm going to first start with my cheeks. Okay, so that color, it's not bad. Look, it kind of matches my neck a little bit. Maybe it's a little bit lighter, but it's completely fine. Let me just go ahead and apply it. Feels thick. So let's see how this applies. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so right out of the bat, I can see it's kind of smooth. It is not full coverage. I have to check the box. I don't know if it says that it's full coverage, but it's an HD foundation, stick foundation. I have to check it. Okay, let's see. So, like I said, it's not full coverage, but it kind of looks cute. I'm not gonna lie, it looks cute. I don't mind, you know, this kind of like colors like this, not being full coverage because it's buildable. So we'll definitely get back on that and try it. So let me add a little bit more. You see the difference? It's actually pretty cute. Let me try a little bit here. Yeah, but you have to put a little bit more than usual. So let's try that. My eyebrow. I'm actually liking this foundation. It's not bad at all. I will be doing the video for the silicone base. It's actually an airbrush silicone base foundation. So I like using airbrush for makeup. So I'm going to be trying it for you guys soon. I'll be probably, since we're doing this quarantine thing, I'm going to have enough time to like do, you know, videos and stuff. I'm actually getting like 3, because it's my birthday on Friday, so I'm only working tomorrow, and then I have Thursday and Friday off again, so it gives me enough time to like do some videos for you guys and, you know, start like doing stuff, because I haven't been here in a minute. But anyways, let's do this side now. I know it looks like a lot. Let me look at close and personal. Boom, boom, boom. So that is laid down. You know what? I'm gonna try and put it in my here my where I put my concealer. Let's see if that covers a little bit of that. Let's see. Because sometimes I just want to do like foundation and not do concealer because it's like too much. You know what I mean? But notice the difference? I did this side with it. I actually do. It's not bad at all. Okay, so the HD Mineral Foundation Stick. This on their website, on the Glow Skin Beauty website, it retails for $48, girl, and I got it for free because Amazon, you know, didn't send it to me, you know, wrong. $48 for this foundation. The deepest for the deepest skin tone, it's very good. It's very, you know, it has like, the lightest one I think is the one I have. So it's not bad, actually. So for like fair, there's nothing for you. I'm so sorry. There's nothing here for you for skin, because this one says Cloud 1C, but it's not pale. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, so let me see the ingredients. Okay, it has a lot of things that I'm not going to pronounce because I don't know. But yeah, the product, its description. The HD Mineral Foundation Stick is HD redefined. This high-performance mineral makeup foundation stick, it's packed with skincare benefits. The lightweight and long-wearing cream foundation evens and perfects for an undetectable skin finish effect. Boosts hydration with hyaluronic acid and shields skin with all natural mineral environmental protection. Multitasking stick format can be used as foundation, concealer, contour, highlight, even on the go. Let me tell you something, that's very good, and it feels good. Feels good, looks good. I'm actually happy that freaking Amazon made the mistake. I'm very happy trying this product. So I'm going to put it away for a second. I'm going to go ahead add some concealer. I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Now, I have to say, the stick foundation from Glow Skin Beauty, it's really, really good. It actually makes my skin feel like really nice. It doesn't feel like I have a lot on my skin. It makes it feel like very like, you know, because there's some foundations that you feel you have stuff on your face. This one is lightweight. It's not full coverage, but it's buildable. I mean, the price point is ridiculous. It is expensive, but you know what? I'm gonna keep using it because I really, really like it. So whenever I'm done with it, I might go and get me another one. I'll buy it online. I'm sorry. Now, yeah, I feel really good. It hides, like, my pores are like, you know, you can't really see them. You get really close. You can't really. Anyway, so yeah, I'm very happy with this foundation. I'm very happy with the mistake that Amazon did. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do it. My name is Mary Maidenhill. I do beauty makeup, special effects makeup, cosplay, props, all that good stuff. I started my channel recently, so I'm hoping that you're liking it. Make sure that you click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload another video, and leave me a thumbs up, give me some love, subscribe, boom, boom, boom. Follow me on Instagram if you like. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.